What if I told you you can hire a 24/7 AI support agent for your website, one that works all day, never sleeps, and you can build it yourself in about 30 minutes without writing a single line of code? Yeah, let's do this. Watch until the end because I'll show you exactly how I built this agent from my demo website, and trust me, it's insane how easy this is. First, here's the website we're working with. We've got a clean home landing page, a products tab with all the sample items, and a simple About Us page. I created this sample website just for this video. It includes some example products with prices and a short description about us. You can find the link in the description. Now, we want to create an AI customer support agent that can answer visitors' questions based on real data from this website. Open Google, type n8n, and go to n8n.io. This platform lets you connect AI tools, automate anything, and build custom agents, all without writing code. Sign up. Good news, you get 14 days free, or you can self-host it later for very little cost. Once you're in the dashboard, click Create Workflow. Click Add Node, search for AI Agent, and add it. This agent has 4 superpowers. The brain, your LLM, ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, whichever you prefer. The sense, the rules and system prompt that controls its behavior. Memory, so it remembers previous messages. And tools, its hands, letting it fetch information and take action. We're going to set all of this up in just minutes. First, let's connect the brain. Click Add Node. Choose your preferred LLM. I'm using OpenAI ChatGPT, so I'll search and select it. You can use Gemini, Grok, or any other model you like. You'll need your API key. Head to the documentation, it's really well written, grab the key from your OpenAI account, paste it once, and you're set forever. After saving, you can also select the model. Higher versions are smarter, lower ones are faster and cheaper. Next, add simple memory and set the window to 10. This way, it remembers the last 10 messages. Super straightforward. Now your AI needs access to your website's information. Using tools, we can let the agent fetch and search your website's data on demand. You basically have 3 options to get website data. 1. API, the best method, pulls directly from your database, but needs some technical setup. 2. RSS, works great if your site, like WordPress, supports it. 3. HTTP request, the easiest option, though it has some limitations with large pages. For today, we'll go with the simplest, HTTP request nodes. Feel free to ask if you want help with the other methods later. In the AI Agent node, click on Tools, then choose HTTP Request Tool. For the first tool, we want the Products page. In the description, write, "Make an HTTP request and return the data which is about all products and prices page list." This description helps the AI understand when to use this tool. Now, paste in the actual URL of your products page. I just copied it from the sample site. To give it information about the company, add another HTTP request tool. Same process. Write a clear description, then paste the About Us page URL. Now your AI can pull real, live data whenever it needs to. It's time to set the system prompt and define how the agent should behave. Open the AI Agent node. In Options, click Add Option, then select System Prompt. Here's the prompt I used for this store. You are a customer support AI for an online tech store. Stay friendly, professional, and concise. Only answer questions related to the store, products, prices, and support. Always use tools to fetch product data. Never make up information. Keep answers short. If a question is unrelated, politely refuse. This sets the personality and clear boundaries for the agent. Now scroll down to the bottom right corner and expand the test chat box. Start with something simple. You'll see the nodes light up green when it works. Then try something more interesting like, "I want AirPods." Boom! It fetches the product data, price, details, everything straight from the website. No hallucinations. It just works beautifully. You'll notice the product page node turns green. That means it used the right tool at the right moment. Now let's make it public. Open the Chat node, then toggle Make Chat Publicly Available. Customize the welcome message if you want, then copy the public chat link. Before you share it, save your workflow and make sure it's turned Active On. Open the link in a new tab and test it again. Flawless. Now you can embed this chat widget on your website and give your visitors instant 24/7 AI support. As you can see, I'm asking about products, details, contact info, and it answers everything perfectly. And that's how you build a fully functional AI support agent for your website in under 20 minutes, no coding required.